Okay, this is our first lesson from our review of fractions. It is lesson 2 called Greatest Common Factor. So for the first example that is given on the handout, you are trying to find the greatest common factor between 12 and 20. So first find the factors of 12 and then find the factors of 20. Factors are just numbers that will multiply to give you that number. Start with 1. What multiplies to give you 12? 1 times 12 does. So you're going to write 1 and 12. Then move up to 2. What multiplies with 2 to give you 12? 2 times 6. So you're going to write 2 and 6. Move up to the next one, 3. 3 times 4 gives you 12. So write 3 and 4. Move up to the next one, 4. 4 times 3. Oh, that's a repeat, so you stop. Now, let's go, and that's your list of factors for 12. Go to 20 next. Again, we're going to start with 1. 1 times 20 gives us 20. Now go up to 2. 2 times 10 gives us 20. Move up to 3. 3 times nothing will multiply with 3 to give us 20. So move up to 4. 4 times 5 gives us 20. Move up to 5. 5 times 4 gives us 20. That's another repeat. So you stop. This is your complete list. Okay, so which factors are common between 12 and 20? I see here a 1 is common. It looks like 2 is also common. And it looks like 4 is also common. So the greatest common factor, the GCF, is just the largest number of your common factors. That is 4. So 4 is your greatest common factor between 12 and 20. Okay, let's do number 1 on the handout. So in number 1, you are trying to find the greatest common factor between 4 and 6. So go ahead and list your factors of 4. Okay, start with 1. 1 times 4. Move up to 2. 2 times 2. So you have 1, 4, and 2 as factors. And that's the end of your list. Now do 6. 1 times 6. Move up to 2. 2 times 3. And then you move to 3, it's just 3 times 2 again. So you're done with your list of factors for 6. Which one of these are common? 1 and 2. So those are your common factors. What is your greatest common factor? Out of those, 2 is the greatest. All right, the last one I'll do as an example at the bottom, just because it's a little longer, is number 7. Okay, so 48. Let's list factors of 48. So we have 1 and 48. Let's move up to 2. 2 times 24. Let's move up to 3. 3 times 16. Let's move up to 4. 4 times 12. Let's move to the 5. Nothing multiplies with 5 to give us 48. 6. 6 times 8 gives us 48. 7. Nothing multiplies with 7 to give us 48. 8. 8 times 6. That's a repeat. We can stop. Now let's do 36. 1 times 36. Let's move up to 2. 2 times 18. Let's move up to 3. 3 times 12. Let's move up to 4. 4 times 9. Let's move up to 5. Nothing with 5. Let's move up to 6. 6 times 6. So 6 is it. And now let's go back and look at our common factors. So we have 1. We have 2. 3, 4, 6. And then it looks like the only other one is 12. So let's write that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And our greatest one out of all of those is 12. That is our greatest common factor. Okay, I hope that helped. And we will stop.